is our annual apple harvest season, and we've been all day since early this morning. We got up, had breakfast, went out and picked some apples and bottled them up. I have 6 jars of applesauce here, some chopped up apples with some applesauce, going to get ready for a crumble. This was just a little leftover, and I got another pot on the go and still some apples left. And this was all from one tree, and by no means did we clear out this tree. There's like loads of apples on the tree. So to make my applesauce is pretty simple. So all we do is quarter and core the apples. I leave the peels on because they're good organic apples. They haven't been sprayed. And then I put enough water in the bottom so they don't stick to the pot. Cover the pot. Simmer it on a medium heat until pretty much everything dissolves. If there's a little bit of skin left in them, I have my bar mix here, my immersion blender, and then I'll just smooth it all out, add a little bit of sugar if needed, and simmer for another few minutes and then bottle it up. That's pretty much it. So this is the third pot I'm working on now. And that's pretty much all the applesauce I'm going to do for this season. It'll give me about 10 jars. And this bit that's left over, and we have some in there as well. So that's 2019's apple harvest. Looks really good. It's not as good as previous years. We had a really short season, so the apples didn't really get to ripen up as good as they did or get as large as they did on previous years.